typical TNT. You can find the fuse. There's the fuse. Open it.
What's this one called, James?
Fuse. This one is Rose Blossom.
Oh, that's
Oh, wow, that's what a beautiful name. What could we possibly expect from this? You have a woman's firework. Rose Blossom.
Here we go.
Oh, it's a Roman candle. I wonder if the box will go on fire. Followed by the plastic tub. Bit of a slow build-up.
I was going to say, is this good over? That's the blossom.
Let's have a look at the reactions from the ladies. Nothing. They don't care. They're not even looking. They're just having a conversation amongst themselves. Night Devil. See, I'm looking for words like thrusting demon.
Thrusting demon?
Yeah, exploding bastard. And words like this. Like Nagasaki nut chucker or something. I don't know.
Right, here we go.
Is there another lighter, James?
Oh, that is the lighter there, though, isn't it?
There we go.
The thingy.
Ah, very nice. Ooh. Oh, we haven't had a new eye yet, have we? We've had a shit and standing too close.
Oh, right, good.
Kind of just farts out of existence. Thing.
Now the artillery's over there, isn't it?
Yeah, wait until we've got the bad boy at the end. Yeah.
This way.
Yeah.
Crescendo.
Ah, okay, that's a sound, isn't it? It's like a
Fuse.
musical note.
Going to build up. Slow build.
And then
It's a big climax.
fart out of existence. We've done all the big ones out of that box then.
Yeah.
With some rockets, haven't we?
Yeah.
We're going to stick your Catherine there too. Your
I
conservatory.
didn't do it last year.
Shed?
James's had.
Because they either stick, don't they, and don't go anywhere and then set fire to things. Or
You know, they spin off and upset things.
next door spreads.
Yeah.
This fucking shed over there.
There's a tree you could nail it to. Can't see me.
Oh, that was good.
That was more of an instant.
Yeah.
Not really a crescendo, more of a have it.
Well, the
Have
bang.
it now, yeah.
Have you got a spare lighter on you, Gary?
Yes.
Mine's
I've got your
not
lighter,
working
James.
very well. Ah,
Oh, you got one there?
clipper. Thanks, mate.
Cheers, dude.
Right, let's have a look at this starlight. Yeah, it's like a little taper, isn't it? Fuse
Ah,
here.
bit of competition going on, James.
Hang on, Gary, we'll get that sorted out.
We're going professional though with a taper, are we?
Doing it the right way. Yes. How not to set
We still
fire to
have a
yourself.
finger count.
Finger count indeed. Yes. Yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel, Si. Nice of you to turn up. Have some strong light in your eyeballs. Here we go. What's this one called, James?
I can't remember.
Whoa! Woohoo! Whoa, on again.
Oh, that's good.
Any more? Yes, another one. Oh, quite pleasant.
Next.
Next. We're not doing the wheel.
No, wow.
Oh, I got to do the wheel.
The Wheel of Doom.
What's over the backyard?
The playground. Playground, yeah.
The wheel and throw it.
There's There's a roundabout, a slide, some
Magic
springs.
Comet. Well, yeah, that's what you need your big rocket to attach to the roundabout, isn't it?
Yeah. That looks like a tube of Smarties, James.
Magic Comet.
Missed it.
I like that.
I like that one. It's like a
one, yeah.
flare, wasn't it?
Jesus.
There are men in there in sweaters turning up to make sure you're not drowning now.
It's War of the Worlds over there, mate. Ah, the boxes are getting smaller now.
Yeah.
And I'll go on for a close-up. It's so small.
There's the little fuse.
TNT.
Yes.
You said he'd be holding on to them for the entire evening, Gary, but that's disappointed.
TNT.
TNT. AC/DC song. Oh, here we go. That's another one of those. Huh. Huh. The audience actually said something. They were watching that one, James.
Oh, good. Fuse, where's the fuse? Is it up here? There it is.
It's so easy to put in upside down, though, aren't they?
Yeah. There's the fuse. This should be a Roman candle.
Huh. Oh, you can stand relatively close. See what happens. Oop.
That's good, huh?
Yeah, they're getting high, aren't they?
And there we are.
What have we got left? 2 rockets. I'll try and set them off at the same time.
Yes.
Is there a nail for this?
Probably says on the box.
Oh, there is there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice of them. Doesn't need a hammer now.
Good man.
2 rockets.
Here we go. Whoa!